Die vriendelikste musiekfees in Suid-Afrika vier vanjaar 'n baie groot mylpaal. Splashy Fen is 35 jaar oud en om hierdie spesiale geleentheid te vier is een van die fees se gunsteling bands terug op die verhoog. En ook vanmôre in die ateljee om ons bietjie meer daarvan te vertel en natuurlik ook vir ons 'n lusmakertjie te gee. Sit julle aan by mekaar vir Zebra.
Ladies and gentlemen, we go by the name Zebra.
Ons gaan by die naam Zebra.
Have you ever lost
Jou ooit verloor,
your best friend
jou beste pal,
to a relationship?
aan 'n verhouding.
Well, we wrote a song about it. It goes a little like this.
Hey man, where are you?
Yeah, I'm chilling with my girl.
Don't you wanna go party?
And I'm at Netflix and chill.
I totally get that, but that's the third time this week.
I'm really sorry, but there's no way to leave. And you're going down, 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 another one down. We're going down, 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 another one down. Let's go.
Hey girl, where are you?
I'm stuck at work.
Oh, don't you wanna go party? Dance on tables and twerk.
I like to dance on tables and twerk, but you know my boss is being such a jerk. You're going down, down, down,
Got it going down.
you're going down, 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 another one down.
Here we go to the dance break.
Let's go.
Guitar solo.
You ready? Another one bites the dust. And another one bites the dust.
And another one down, and another one down.
Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one down, and another one down, and another one bites the dust. Let's go. Come on. I'm gonna miss you. Say goodbye to your friend, but I'll remember you till the very end. So just tonight we gon' burn the sound before I go down, down, down. Before I go down. Before I go down, down, down. Before I go down. Before I go down, down, down. Before I go down.
Manne, trek hy stoele nader. Baie dankie Zebra.
Thank you.
Eerste day. Wim Sipho kom trek nader daai stoele maats. Sit hier verby 'n fikromoon en 'n mikrofoon en 'n dit en 'n dat. Kom ek skryf hulle vir jou net hierdie kant toe.
Okay.
As jy daai nog sommer net daar sy Sipho en Wim. Baie welkom en hartlike goeiemôre. Splashy Fen, 35 jaar oud.
35. Dis ouer as ons.
En dis wonderlik. Ek meen julle was ook al daar?
Yes.
4 keer?
Yeah.
En
This is the fourth.
This is, I think, hierdie keer is the
fourth
vijfste.
Vijfste.
I think so.
die 5de een.
I don't know.
What makes it special for you guys being there, Wim?
Splashy, different cultures, different people coming together. Ek dink Zebra resonate ook met dit baie. You know, dis ons aim, mission. Ons is almal net Suid-Afrikaners. Let's have some fun
Absolutely.
on a weekend. Splashy is the pinnacle of that.
Yeah.
I would say.
I mean, Splashy has that beautiful saying, stay human.
Stay human. I mean,
Listen,
Stay
Sipho,
human.
and the energy, I mean, if you can obviously do this for a good set of an hour or so, you guys must be tired after the
ons
show.
kry miltsteek 3 keer. We just push through. Go.
Literally.
Yeah.
No, I think the energy is a big part of it. I mean, when we came up with the band, it was all about the people being a part of the performance and us having fun. You know, there's people that get up on stage and just sing music at you. We were like, no, this is the whole party.
Yeah.
You are with us. Let's party. Let's have a lekker time.
Splashy gives
Now,
that
apart
every
from
time.
Splashy Fen, I mean, obviously, as 'n mens na julle vertonings toe gaan, is dit seker op sigself 'n experience, maar wat maak Splashy Fen anders vir mense wat nog nie daar was nie?
I think, like Wim said, Splashy Fen is the friendliest festival, right? And it's a place where mama, papa, seun, dochter, cousin, you know, woofie, everyone can be there.
welcome,
Everyone is welcome. There is something for everyone. And I mean, it's 4 days of over 100 artists. What other festival do you get that? And it's I mean, most of these artists are doing 80% of original music as well.
that's
So it's there to you learn you're there to find and discover new artists and hear new music, hear what's coming up, hear what's vibey, hear what's going on, and I think that's what makes Splashy Fen so special. And the people there also.
I don't know. We're not the best band ever, and they love us. That means
They do.
the people are very open.
Ouens, daar's meer as genoeg Marita om onder die bestes bekend te staan. Maar luister, jy sê 100 kunstenaars, maar onder andere is daar ook natuurlik die bekendes Good Luck Ndlovu Youth Choir, Will Lindley van Pletzen, Jeremy Loops, Matthew Mull, Jess Clegg, Zebra, just to name a few.
Ja. Bootleg G.
Buhle G as well, yeah. There's artists that are playing, like for instance, there's an artist Steve Mkulu.
Steve Masik.
That's basically what it means. And I mean, we started playing with Steve years ago, and now we get to share stages with
Amazing.
you know, people that we started with back in the day, now on these massive stages in the middle of the Drakensberg.
And he's
almost.
bringing his newborn baby with what?
Weet wat, that's how he does it. True artist, né?
Ja.
Wat kan mense van julle show verwag by Splashy Fen?
Are we saying this?
Yeah, let's
Our timing is a little bit off by 1 day, but on Friday morning,
at 1 o'clock.
at afternoon,
Yeah.
we will be releasing a song called Take Me Home / tribute to Splashy. There we go.
Wow.
New song.
Yeah, brand new song. We kind of put it together in a very short space of time.
Very short space of time.
We decided that we wanted to write a song to tribute to Splashy Fen.
Wow.
So the song is about Splashy Fen. It's about how Splashy makes us feel, how Splashy makes people feel. And we're going to be playing it for the very first time for an audience at Splashy Fen on the Saturday night. So,
Ja.
So dit beteken as jy nog nie daar was nie, as jy daaroor wonder, as jy nog nie jou kaartjies gekry het nie, it's time to get your tickets now.
No doubt.
Especially for this highlight waiting for us. Waar kan ou kaartjies kry? Weet julle, is daar websites?
Op Howler.
yeah, on Howler or on their website. So you can go to www.splashyfen.
Yeah.
Splashy.
And you can always also get day passes and stuff like that.
So a lot of people actually do that. They go because there's a lot of lodges in the area in Underberg. So you can go stay at a lodge, get a day pass, come in, see the festival. I mean, there is something for everyone. There's
Endless
DJs,
possibilities.
there's alles.
Endless.
Ouens, dankie vir 'n verskriklike lekker kuiertjie en ek hoop ons kan een of ander tyd, as dit nou nie hierdie jaar is nie, next time daar gaan draai. Ons gaan uitkyk vir daai nuwe liedjie. Dit was Zebra, Wim en Sipe wat saam met ons kom kuier. Dit kyk uit vir Flashy Fen eersnaags ook en kry sommer jou kaartjies nou. Dis al wat ons vir jou het wat vandag aanbetref, maar ons is môreoggend om 6:00 weer terug op ons pos net hier saam met jou. Lekker dag.